Hello guys, I'm gonna watch Animals Are Big Stakes by 2050. Let's do this one. Oh, pandas, that's so cute. Oh, elephants are so cute as well. Thank you, mosquitoes. Oh, koalas. Oh, the penguins are so cute. I think I'm gonna keep them in the zoo though. Eagles? What? Whatever those are, those are the big extinct. Crocodile gorillas. Oh. And he has some more. No, not that, not that. So that. The last ones. This one. Here we have. Sorry. This is the last one. They're actually kind of creepy kangaroos. Right, goodbye guys. Bye guys. I'm gonna go, but this is gonna be the last one. And then I'm gonna go and say goodbye. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Bye bye.